Okay, so we're going to read this article over a 17-year-old boy who creates a coronavirus tracking website. That's kind of relevant to what's going on in the world right now, so that might be nice for you guys. And then you're going to tell me the main idea, or what this whole story is mostly about. Remember, the ice cream cone is the main idea, the most important thing, okay? Give me an example of what this whole article was about. Just one thing, okay? There will be questions on Schoology to answer afterwards. So, right here is a picture of the latest data on the number of confirmed cases, serious cases, deaths, and people who have recovered from the coronavirus. So this is just basically his statistics of the coronavirus. So we're going to go down, just follow along. I'll put my cursor on the line I'm reading so you can kind of follow along. A.V. Schiffman works on websites. He has done it since he was in 3rd grade. In middle school, he made video games. Now he is 17 years old. He made a popular website. His website tracks cases of Covid-19, which is also called the coronavirus. The coronavirus is an illness that started in December 2019 in China. It is like the flu. People who have it might have a cough or trouble breathing. A.V. lives in Seattle, Washington. He started the coronavirus website when there were fewer than 1,000 cases in China. The site is Coved-19.live. The illness has spread to more than 165 countries. This is the first big world event for young people his age, A.V. said. It has changed everything, he said. It is hard to find a count of how many people had the illness. I noticed it was just really hard to find anything that was happening. A.V. said, I thought I could make something better than what the governments were doing, so he made a website. Numbers for each country in the world. His website lists the number of cases and deaths. It lists how many people have gotten well. It gives numbers for each country and the world. So this is a picture of A.V. so you guys can kind of see what he looks like. A.V. has learned to make websites on his own. He watched videos and reads things online, he said. His hope is to present information in a simple way. The site has gotten more attention than A.V. expected. It has been visited by every single country on the planet, he said. To help the site, A.V. welcomes emails from people who have suggestions. Sometimes he gets over 1,000 emails a day. Leela Schroff is 18 years old. She talked to A.V. in early March for their school's radio station. She noticed his hard work, but could tell he was busy because of the site, so she offered to help him. Making the world a better place. A.V. cares about making the world a better place, Schroff said. People who work in technology have offered help, A.V. said. He likes to work alone. A lot of the things I can do myself, he said. Still, he is glad to get to connect with them. He has advice for others who want to make a website. He suggests starting on small projects. You can make something like what I did, A.V. said. You just have to have the motivation to want to change the world. So you need to tell me what this article was mostly about, and to kind of give you some guidance, you could probably just take a guess of what the main idea was because it's said over and over again. But to narrow it down for you guys, you could look in paragraph 1, 2, 3. Paragraph 3, I would say you could find what this was mostly about. Okay? Or it might say it in this paragraph down here as well, which would be paragraph 5, I believe. Yes, so tell me the main idea or what this article was mostly about, and then you need to answer the questions on Schoology. You are also going to write a little main idea summary, so tell me what the main idea is Once you have the answer, obviously you're going to just be able to fill that in, and then you need to give me a summary. So tell me what you read about. What are some important parts about this article? Okay?